Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pushcut for fitness reminders. So just tap on my Pushcut app on my iOS device and you can configure Pushcut to send you daily reminder about your fitness goals. So like I will just write on my morning routine. I will just type the name of title morning routine automation. So I will just tap to save it, and I want to set up a morning automation that checks your calendar and reminds you of any scheduled workout or fitness of classes for the day. So I will just tap on this trigger and I will just tap on this plus. So I will just tap to select my morning routine automation for my daily. So I will just select the time of 6:30 a.m. So that's the setup which I set on 6:30 a.m. It will remind me for going my morning routine walk. So number one is that I will just tap to set it, and number second, if I want that I want to do a daily workout reminder, so I will just create a schedule notification that prompts you to work out if you haven't gone to the gym in a while. So I will just set it another one just like daily workout. So I will just give them a name of daily workout reminder. So just tap on it and tap to save and done it. And again I will just go in my trigger, which is bottom, and tap on the top right corner of plus icon and select my daily workout reminder. So here I will just set the time of after my walking on 1 hour. I will just set it for 8:30 a.m. and just set the days. I will be working and jogging on Monday to Friday, and I will just tap to done and set it. So this is my daily my routine of fitness goals on push cut. So that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.